So for this tutorial, I use 3 rocks, I use 2 Tule Art paint pens, my Sakura Pigma paint pen, as well as some white paint, some pale yellow paint, and some dragonfly glaze. I didn't have this in the supplies, but I'm starting out using a broad-tipped white Posca paint pen to just draw a square on each of the rocks so that I have a guideline for when I take this white paint to base coat the square on all 3 rocks. Now we're going to take this pale yellow paint on top of our base coat, and you're going to start to see the sticky note come to life. This did take me 2 to 3 coats of the pale yellow paint to make sure that the sticky note was nice and opaque. Now we're going to take this Tule Art paint pen, it's a fine liner, and go ahead and give a nice outline to the border of all of our sticky notes. Next, we're going to take that Sakura Pigma paint pen, which is a little bit finer, and we're going to draw the outline of what looks like a piece of clear tape. So it's going to be straight on 2 sides and then have kind of raggedy edges on the top and bottom. Next, we're going to take the full spectrum dragonfly glaze and add this to the clear tape. This is a really fine glitter paint, so it's going to give us the illusion of that shininess that happens with clear tape. Now we're going to go back to that Tule Art paint pen and we're going to add the wording "Note to Self" on each of the sticky notes. Now we're going to take a red paint pen to each of our sticky notes, and the goal here is to look like you just picked up a pen and wrote on a sticky note something that you wanted to remember. The possibilities of short messages are kind of endless with these notes. Anything that you would want someone to read if they were having a rough day or you just wanted to make them smile. And we are done. These sticky notes can also be made in multiple colors if you wanted some variety, and like I said, many different phrases could be written on them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little notification bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. See you next time!